What is capitalization? Capitalization refers to the process of using a different form and height to represent the same letter. The most common mistake in capitalization comes when capitalizing formal titles. For example, we would capitalize the P in President Obama. Capital P President Obama was elected for 2 terms. However, we wouldn't capitalize the same word when it is not used as a title. For example, in the sentence, when he was lowercase p president, Obama held many press conferences, we wouldn't capitalize the P in president because we aren't using the word as part of a proper noun. A proper noun is the name of a specific person, place, or thing, like James Baldwin. Another common capitalization error occurs when differentiating between words that are used as names or those that are used as common nouns. Let's try an example. Uppercase D Dad is visiting for the holidays. Here, we are using the word dad as a name. Dad is meant to represent the person to whom it refers, just as their actual name would. Just as we would capitalize the first letter of Anthony, we capitalize the D in dad when we refer to Anthony as dad. But what happens when you use the word dad as a common noun? Watch. My lowercase d dad is visiting for the holidays. Here, we aren't using the word dad as a name. Instead, dad denotes a family relationship to the person speaking. Therefore, it remains lowercase. Subscribe to Colburn Classroom and be on the lookout for new videos.